Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Sudeep and today we are going to talk about spiritual strength. So let's get started. So let's start with the definition of spiritual strength. What is spiritual strength? Well, it can be defined in a number of ways, but let's put it like this. Spiritual strength is knowing that you don't have to compromise yourself in any way for anyone over anything in order to feel content, confident, and secure in life. The reason why people are not spiritually strong by default is because of the fact that they hold many self created images in their mind which they think shapes their identity, and they think that they have to maintain these images else everything will fall apart. Well, it is not true. You don't have to maintain these images and make them your artificial respiratory system. Once you become honest with yourself and accept the real you, the whole world will also accept the real you with a smile. Because when your honesty is clearly visible, the whole world will start trusting you even more. And in this present generation, the world needs more trustworthy people. So today I am going to share with you 7 steps which will help you to increase your spiritual strength. Number 1. Refuse to revisit your own past as an escape when the present becomes too hot to handle. There comes a time in everyone's life when the present situation looks scary and out of control. We immediately start thinking about our past and start dreaming that how easy life could have been if such and such thing would have happened at some point of time. No, no, no. Stop. Instead of taking one small step forward, you are taking 2 steps backward if you do this. Number 2. Say no to anything or anyone that you are afraid to say no. Well, you have to accept the fact that sometimes things will get messy and out of control no matter how much hard you work on it. So never let yourself become a prisoner to fear. Number 3. Never explain yourself to anyone with the fear that they may misjudge you. And if you are doing this, it is only because you want to keep the image which they have about you in their mind safe. Number 4. Learn to see your defensiveness towards others as an offense to your right to be free from fear. Defensive attitude is a byproduct of a fearful mind. Number 5. Whenever possible, realize that the person you are about to argue with is in as much pain as you are. They are not your enemy. There are no enemies. The only real enemy is inside you. Number 6. Never accept any negative conclusion about a situation as the final answer. You see, whenever you are in a bad mood, you can only draw negative conclusions about a situation and you don't see any positive things about it. But when your mood suddenly changes, you realize that that thinking was really stupid. This must have happened with you, right? So never let mood to take control of the driver's seat. Number 7. Remember that whatever you resist in life increases its weight by the magnitude of thought spent in not wanting it. So accept whatever you can and drop the rest. So these were the 7 guidelines which will help you to build up your spiritual strength. To conclude this video, I'd like to share a golden statement. The only barrier between yourself and a life without limits are the powers which you have mistakenly given to doubts and fear. So that is all for today. I hope this video helped you in getting 1% better. If you really like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever I release new videos every week. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.